In this video, we're going to be talking about following the hashtag on Instagram in 2025. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. As of December 2025, you can no longer follow hashtags on Instagram. Now, Instagram officially removed this feature in the late 2024 to combat spam and prioritize AI driven recommendations. But while you can no longer have hashtag based content automatically delivered to your feed, you can still discover related content using this method. Now, you can still go to your search bar. You can go find the topic, say tutorials, and AI is going to summarize this topic for you. Or you can choose to click and then choose tutorials with an hashtag, which is a tag, and it's going to give you detailed results of it also. You can also go to tags to find related tags to your topic. Instagram improved this mainly because Instagram now uses its AI discovery engine to show you relevant content in your feed and explore page based on your interest, even without following a specific tag or topic. Now that's the latest about following the hashtag on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.